heard some of you are having some issues with the sound, and what we think is happening is that your speakers have been removed from your desktops because it's connected to your board now. So the one way to get it so that the sound comes when you're connected to your desktop is you want to come down here to your sound, click on the sound, go into your sound settings, and you want to make sure that when you're connected to the board and you're on your desktop trying to get sound out, you have it on the smart board, interactive display, RX, and then yours will say 075. Okay, so once I change that, then when I click on a video, you will get the sound that comes out of the smart board. Now, if you are on the smart board itself and you're not getting sound, then that is a totally different issue. Okay, now if you're having issues with sound on your actual smart board while you are just using the board, you're going to go to Settings. In Settings, you're going to scroll down to find Sound. When you're in Sound, you're going to find Sound Output. In Sound Output, there are three things that you're going to turn off and turn back on. So turn off all three of these, the speaker, subwoofer, and audio out, and then turn them all back on. Once you do that, hit your home button again, then go back into YouTube and see if it gets sound.